Alright, we got my watch, my Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, not charging. A few months back, I cracked the glass and it was working fine, but now it's not charging at all. So we get nothing. Alright, I ordered it back. Just 4 screws, and we're going to replace it. So I did take the screws out already. It's just 1, 2, and 3, and 4. It does come with this screwdriver, but it doesn't work, so I used this one, and this is a 00.
I'm getting that pepperoni from
Pepperoni?
the pizza.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's really good and delicious.
Oh, cool. So I got these 4 out, and you just take the Sesamo and the cut here to lift it up. Alright, so I got it inside, and you can just pop it off pretty easy. So here's the inside, and let's just pop on the new one, and hopefully this works. Okay, so that goes over that sensor here. Oh no, I gotta take off this plastic film. Need that. There we go. Good as new. Right, hopefully it's this and not my charger. Okay, so the new one just pops into place, and now I'm just gonna screw these 4 screws back. See if I can start it while we're holding it. Yeah. They're screwed in, hand tight. And leave it through the top one. Ah, come on. You're playing with me. Alright. Let me just put it down here. They're all the same size, so not a big deal. That'd be dumb if it wasn't the same size. So we are charging, but we have nothing on the watch. And I'm assuming it's probably water damage, since the back, well, you can't even see it. The back glass was cracked, and I do go jogging with this watch on. So that's probably it. I'm just gonna order a new one. These are pretty old, so this will be cheap. And then we'll check the charger. Oh, alright, so we're finally charging, and I'm not sure what happened. It's going in and out, so it may be my charger, but you see it did pop up, but it went off, so I'm gonna wait and see. Alright, we in business. We loading up. Let's go. So that was it. Easy to change the back, crack the glass, stop charging, went completely dead, and we back up. Simple fix. I can't even get this to focus. Let's focus, bro. Come on. Anyway, yeah. So the back was only I don't know, 25 bucks. It come with a little cheap screwdriver. Do it yourself. Easy fix.